Hey, this is Antonio from AV Team Real Estate. I'm happy to share a very good opportunity in a condo unit in North York by Henry's Farm near Don Mills and Sheppard. If you have followed me in the past, you might already know that I'm a very active full-time real estate agent that works in this area. And today, I would love to share this cool listing that maybe you should consider if you are looking to purchase a condo unit under $630,000 in the heart of North York for yourself or as an investment. Here is a brief summary of this community that is located at the intersection of Sheppard Avenue East and Consumer Road. And this is literally a 5-minute drive to Fairview Mall right here and Don Mills subway station. Needless to say, this is an extremely convenient location. If you drive, it is next to 404 right here, and down here we have DVP and 401. This community consists of 4 buildings that started at 55 and O'Reilly Road as Alto at Atria. The age of the building is approximately 6 years, and across we have Trio, which is 50 and O'Reilly, Trio at Atria, which was completed about 4 years ago. And lastly, the last tower at 60 and O'Reilly, Parfait at Atria. This was completed about 2 years ago as the newest building in this community by the #1 builder in Canada, Tridel. In the past few months, I have also helped many tenants rent in this community due to its convenient location. It doesn't matter whether you have a car or not. For this same reason, you will not worry if you are purchasing for yourself or as an investment. For many first-time home buyers or investors, I believe the 1-bedroom plus 10 condo in this neighborhood, which would cost you around $630,000, will be the perfect fit. Before I show you this beautiful 1-bed plus 10 unit on the 17th floor at 60 and O'Reilly, which is the newest building in this community, I would like to share the most recent sale in the same building for a similar unit that was sold on July 25th at 60 and O'Reilly unit 1068 for $660,000. So for this 1-bed plus 10 unit that I'm about to show you, it is only listed for $629,900. In my opinion, this price is in line with the market favoring the buyers, so you could have the possibility of getting something in this price range for much less compared to just a month ago at $660,000. Now let's take a tour on this beautiful 1-bed unit. Right from the entrance on your right, you will find the stacked washer and dryer with more space in between, which is rare to find. On the left, we see the den with the closet, double sliding doors. Now on the left, we also find the 1 bathroom here with 4 pieces. So here again, we see the den unit with the double sliding door closet. And now moving on to the kitchen. This is a traditional kitchen with quartz countertop. As you can see, there's a spacious living space with tons of natural light. And let's take a look at the 1-bedroom here. And this is with a huge closet and a very large window with a lot of bright lights. Now head back to the living space and we see the balcony. As you can see, there's a beautiful view in the city that's overlooking Sheppard. And there you have it, the tour of this 1+10 unit of less than 599 square feet. Now let's head to the ground floor where you can find many amenities. Here's the entrance to the yoga room and exercise room. Along the way you see the mail room, which is on the ground floor. And now here is the entrance to the gym. This is a very spacious and large gym in a condominium that you rarely find in many of the condos nowadays. As you can see, this is a very generous large space. Now let's head to the main lobby where is the entrance for 50 and 60 and O'Reilly. here it is. This is the end of the tour of 60 N O'Reilly Unit 1766. I hope you enjoyed the tour video of this beautiful 1+10 unit at 60 N O'Reilly, Unit 1766, a Parfait at Atria by Tridel. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos just like this. In addition, if you would like to schedule a showing, don't hesitate to contact me with the information in the description below or simply dial the number on the screen. And I am more than happy to assist you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.